Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off your notification on GoCardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn on or off your notifications on GoCardless account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in GoCardless.com and make a search. The official page of GoCardless account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on Login option. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of GoCardless account will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on User Settings. On the next page, scroll all the way down and click on the boxes under Email Notifications to turn the notifications off, then tap on Save Changes. To turn on the notifications, you can simply tick mark on the boxes. This is how you can turn on or off your notifications on GoCardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.